This SHENGDA CNC 5-axis bridge cutting machine. Both technically and functionally, it is a product worth recommending. First of all, the equipment uses advanced technology, equipped with industrial cameras and suction cups. High-precision suction cup movement can be realized. This not only saves a lot of manpower costs and time costs, it increases productivity. Secondly, this machine has the function of one-click automatic processing, simple to operate. Even beginners can easily master, and it's applicable to a wide range. It can not only be used for conventional food processing, it can also be used to cut circles, ellipses and various polygons. Meet the requirements of a variety of application scenarios.